Hello friends, and today our topic is how you can join computer to your domain in Windows Server 2022. And my client is Windows 11. Okay, my client computer is Windows 11 and my Windows Server 2022. So let's start. One second, I will close this. See here, I have already one of you. Here is user Ahmed. Okay, so through this user, this is admin, and we will join this computer to our domain. So just right click on this PC. Okay, go to properties, then click on domain and work group. Now click on change. Now first set your any system name what you want. I will set Ahmed PC. Okay, and my domain name. Infotex.com. I will put the Ahmed credential here. Ahmed. So my system new virtual machine successfully connected to my domain controller. Okay, I will restart, and after restart this system I will show you this system on my domain. So now my virtual machine restart. Okay, we will log in through our domain username. Okay, so first your domain, then username, and then user password. Oh, user not authorized. I will show you 1 minute. Now to confirm that this system successfully connected to your domain, you just need to go to properties. Okay, and check. It's a little bit slow. Now your system is Infotex.com. System is successfully connected to domain. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.